Hi everybody, this is Nick Skiba here, and I have a Jeep Gladiator 2020. Really nice vehicle here. 17,000 miles on it. White in color, leather interior. This is an Overland, so you can see the seats are full leather. And we have touchscreen with navigation, backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel right there. Hope you can see that all right. And of course power windows, four-wheel drive, push button start. Miles are 17,000. As I mentioned, I hope that's readable there. Is that coming through? I think that's coming through. Okay. It also has the Freedom top right there, so you can take the top off. Tires are great. Power running boards, you can see there. Tonneau cover, soft tonneau cover on it, with a nice slow drop tailgate. And you can see there's not much bed use. Really nice vehicle when it was new, and it's still basically new, so only 1 year old. Excellent tire tread. Again, those power running boards, we'll see those in a second go up. But you can see it's got the decent stereo in it. Leather rear seats with power windows, power boards, and it is clean top to bottom. Painted fenders, painted roof. Overlands come that way. Just a beautiful vehicle. At Snowy Mountain Motors, you can pick it up today for a great price.